Hi, and welcome to the second WordPress video training. In this video we are going to learn how to set up a WordPress blog or site in 3 easy steps. Installing WordPress is a very simple process and takes less than 5 minutes to complete. Many web hosts now offer tools like Fantastico or Interface application to automatically install WordPress for you. Let's install a WordPress site hosted on a GoDaddy hosting account. As you can see on the right side, there is install application box and you can choose WordPress. Here we have the application page and we can easily see if this application is compatible with one of our hosting plans. If it's so, let's go ahead. And we have 4 steps. First one is choose a plan. So we need to choose which domains we want to install WordPress on. And go next. We're going to set up the application in this window. This one is the database name. We can change database description like WordPress my site and create a database password. Click on next and we are going to choose a directory where we want to install WordPress on. If we want to install WordPress on the root directory, we need to leave this field blank. Otherwise, we can choose a folder. In this case, we are going to choose my site. So our URL will be www.johnnyjumpstart.com, my site. Next, we are choosing the admin name, the admin password. That is the login information you need to access to the backend of the WordPress site, and the blog title at the end. Let's click on finish and go back to the WordPress application page. On the right you find the manage my applications link. On this page you can find your blog. URL is johnnyjumpstart.com/mysite. Successfully installed. Just click on it and you can see your website live. If you want access to the login page, you just need to type after your URL /wp-admin. Let's log in and let's talk about appearance. WordPress allows you to easily style your site by either installing and activating new themes or changing existing themes. Under the Appearance tab, we can different subpanels. Let's start talk with themes. From Appearance Themes subpanel, under the Manage Themes tab, you can choose which theme will be presented to users visiting your site. Under the Current Theme, you can see the theme you are actually using on your website. In addition, under the Install Themes tab, you can find and install new themes, search themes, or upload your themes. Usually you have your theme in a zip format. Let's find a theme. Let's choose Carolina theme. Just click on install now. And now you can preview. So you can also view screenshots of each theme you have uploaded to your site before you activate it. This is the preview of Carolina on your website. We can choose to activate, but right now we're gonna return to the theme page. We can find now the current theme and the available themes. Available themes, we have 3 options: activate, preview, or delete. Let's try to activate Carolina theme. Now is under the current theme. Let's refresh the page. Here we go. We have our Carolina themes on our website. Themes usually have at least 1 or 2 sidebars. Sidebars are the narrow columns to the left or right of your blog site. Each section in the sidebar is known as a widget, and you can configure widgets in your sidebar by via the Appearance Widget sub-panel. You can add or remove widgets and move them up or down. The Appearance menu sub-panel is available beginning with the version 3 and depends on the theme if menu feature is supported. To create a new custom menu, click on the plus tab, give the menu a name, and after that click Create Menu. After a menu is created, then detailed items can be added to the menu. Choose items like custom links, pages, and categories from the left column to add to the menu. After items have been added to the menu, drag and drop to put them in the order you want and save it. Also, theme location allows the definition of the placement of your menu. This theme supports only one placement. You just choose your menu and save it. The background feature allows you to manage the look and feel of background for your theme. Instead, the header features allows you to manage what image is displayed in the theme's header. And finally, the theme editor. Use the theme editor to edit the various files that comprise your themes. The Appearance Editor sub-panel allows you to designate which theme you want to edit, then displays the files in that theme. Each file in the theme can be edited in a large text box. The Setting Administration panel are all of the settings that define your blog as a whole. Settings which determine how your site behaves, how you interact with your site, and how the rest of the world interacts with your site. The following sub-panels control these settings. Let's start with General. The Settings General sub-panel controls some of the most basic configuration settings for your site. Your site's title and location, who may register an account at your blog, and how dates and times are calculated and displayed. Writing. Using the Settings Writing sub-panel, you can control the interface with which you write your post. These settings control the size of the post box, the default category, the default link category, the default image size, etc. Reading. The settings in the Reading sub-panel are few in number, but really important. You can decide if you want a post or a static page displayed as your blog's front page. You can also adjust how many posts are displayed on that main page. In addition, you can adjust syndication feed features. Discussions allow you to control settings concerning incoming and outgoing comments, pingbacks, and trackbacks, the circumstances under which your blog sends you email notifying about something. Media. General settings for images and media files like thumbnail, size, and value. Privacy controls your blog visibility to search engines. And finally, permalinks controls how that custom URL structure is defined. This concludes our video training. Now you are able to set up a blog in 3 easy steps. Thank you and happy blogging!